You searched how to buy shares of LightInTheBox Holding Co Ltd, a China-based online retailer of apparel, home, and lifestyle products. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LITB. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before purchasing. Use the broker's search bar and type the ticker LITB to find LightInTheBox. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for LITB. Confirm the listing displays LightInTheBox Holding Co Ltd and the correct ticker before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details on eToro. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, your position will appear in your eToro portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link if you want to follow the same platform example.